Yoweri Museveni yagambira aba Pakwach na Oyam ngukwara agaruke kuba President wa Uganda amana eja kugato mu kurwanisa obworo okutungura eby'obwegyese eby'amagara no kwombeka enguuto.
Finally, the long wait is over.
Now, in the coming government, which you have pledged to support us achieve, we are going to make sure that all the parishes have government primary schools, and then that all the sub-counties have got the one which does not have a secondary school has a secondary school.
Okwo haba hariyo abeshongozi okucamura abahagizi be.
These are the roads you are talking about, like the road from Tororo to Kamudini.
Bagina Mario, Tialo Ricope Dongolobo, Acharo Balayo, Ameya Tororo, Binu Beolira, Nakakamdini.
The one from Kampala to Guru to the border, we have done it many times. One of the most important Donglobo is Karuma Hydropower Station.
Under your leadership, you have been able to achieve 3 basic and fundamental points in the spirit of the Holy Trinity. You have achieved peace, that is God the Father to us from northern Uganda.
Ask them that, what do you want me to do for you? You ask anybody at random, they will say, we want a bear district.
I stopped the road.
Yes, Your Excellency.
Those who say, you vote and say you stop the road. Okay, I will surrender for the district. I don't believe in the politics of sectarianism, of religion, of tribe, of discriminating against women or neglecting children. That's how we have been able to build a national political party, the NRM. Somebody who has finished university and has not got a job for 2 years. We are going to start university graduates funds per zone, Lango zone, Bunyoro zone, and so on.
Protecting the gains nigwo mto mkuru ogu President Museveni ari kutamburizaho Okuronda akaruuru ke gasha kwa Senyomo Gideon.